If you're a dog or cat owner, you may have problems with pet stains. We love our pets. They're soft, cuddly, and cute, but sometimes they have accidents, and it's not always their fault, but it's our responsibility to take care of them. And the first step is finding where all of the urine is hidden. Oftentimes the urine's in the padding or in the backing, so we use a professional tool to help pinpoint where the spots are at. This tool is called a urine probe. Another tool we'll use is a black light. This will help all of the urine areas glow, that way we know exactly what we're dealing with. But after we find where it's at, we have another dilemma because a lot of the urine tends to end up going in the backing and in the padding. Regular carpet cleaning doesn't take care of the urine there. But now there's a state-of-the-art way to professionally solve pet odors. Now, the first thing that we do is identify exactly where the problem spots are at. And then we treat the area with a deodorizer. Not just a perfume, but a digesting deodorizer that eats away all the bad bacteria in the urine. And then we use a tool that attaches to the carpet and extracts all the urine out of the backing and out of the padding of the carpet. What you're left with is fresh, clean carpet. Now, this tool has helped save many of our clients thousands of dollars in needlessly replacing carpet. After we're done doing the deodorization process, we'll do a complete cleaning to make sure the face fibers are extra clean. If you're watching this video, we want to give you a free bonus. We want to give you, with any cleaning, $50 in free deodorizer. All you have to do is give us a call right now at the number below this video. Plus, we want to give you a free pet odor inspection. We'll take in the tools that we just showed you, and we'll come in and do a complete evaluation, pinpoint all of your pet odor spots, and give you an exact quote on what it will take to remove the odors and the stains. But you have to give us a call now, the number below, or go to the link to get your free pet odor inspection and your free $50 in deodorizer. Give us a call.